Guess what? I have a big announcement. The landscape class is live. I have maracas someplace that I usually like and I cannot find my maracas. Let's start over. Welcome if you are new. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. This is Bits of an Artist's Life and I'm Sandi Hester. If you've been here for a while, you know I've been working for a long time now on this new landscape class and it's finally ready. Okay, I don't want to take too long. I want to jump right into the promo commercial. No, I've been calling it a commercial. Promo video. That sounds a little more professional. Let's jump into that because I want you to get a little taste of what the class is going to be about. And then join me back here at the end. I'm going to have a special guest and we'll do a little chatting about behind the scenes and a little more information about the class. If you are interested in the class, in the description there will be a link that will take you to the page to be able to purchase the class. Yeah, let's get into it, guys. It is a beast of a class. It's 8 hours and 26 videos. Okay, let's take a look. Welcome to Taking Notes in the Landscape. This class is all about my landscape painting process of going out on location, grabbing as much information as I can in the short time that I'm there. Then I bring all that information back to the studio along with my memories of the place to then make more completed work from those sketches. This practice is how I'm able to stay loose and gestural with my marks. I'm just making little circles. Let me get a note of him. Okay. Fast. In this class, I bring you along with me as I do just that. Go from one location to another, taking notes, and then coming back to the studio to make further work from those sketches and memories. This class is 8 hours long and has 26 individual videos. I use all types of mediums: watercolor, acrylic, gouache, soft pastels, oil pastels, color pencils, inks, hard pastels, and wax pastels. In the class, I show you my simple outdoor setup. I share with you how I deal with trees by breaking them down into shape, color, and texture. Our brains want to just tell us green and prepare yourself because there's going to be some tree reenacting going on. In this class, I go to 3 different locations, taking notes while I'm there on location. Then I bring those sketches back to the studio to make more completed paintings as I use my sketches as reference. One of the locations is a new location to me, so I share how I deal with going to a new location and all the challenges that come with that. We make custom ink water brushes together, which turns into quite a mess. Together, we'll do a really fun exercise that will help us with composition. We'll do a create and destroy piece together. This is an exercise where I create a painting and then destroy it to make a new painting. It's a ton of fun. At the end, I do a full art tour of all the work I created from visiting these 3 locations over months and months. I also share my journey with you on just landscape painting. I'll include a lot of old watercolors I did when I first started painting and share how this new obsession of painting the landscape began. And I'll wrap up by sharing my top tips for dealing with fears and anxieties about sketching out in public when people are around. And of course, there's all the professionalism that you've come to love and expect. I'm filming, could you pipe down on the burping? Yeah. Thanks. I hope you'll join me as I share my landscape painting process of taking notes in the landscape. I'm happy with this. Okay, let's go paint. Okay, here's the special guest. I thought I'd bring Grady. I was like, come on with me because you filmed, you were, such an integral part of sound effects, all the burping, things like that.
I do live here. Anyway.
Okay, let's tell them about that burping episode.
Oh, I thought you were saying, I do live here.
Okay, well, let's tell them that in a minute. You do live here. But let's first tell a little more about the class. So it's nice and long. We go to a bunch of different locations, as you saw. I feel like it's like a beast of a video. I'm really proud of it.
You should be.
I really am proud of it, and I've been getting good feedback. We did like a soft launch. We've been hearing from you guys, and you are inspired, you're learning, and you love it, and it makes me really happy to hear. Because I have worked really hard. When I get done, I'm always like, I feel like I just birthed a baby. I'm really tired and I don't want to do it again. And then like, 3 days later, I'm like, oh, I think this is going to be my next one. Grady's always like, remember that break we talked about?
We need a break.
Yeah. So anything you want to add about the class?
No, I think it's been really helpful to hear from particular or specific people with specific reasons that they enjoyed it. Obviously, they're going to be entertained. Obviously, they're going to get instruction, but it's been really helpful to hear encouraging feedback.
Yeah.
It always helps Sandy, but I know you guys are going to really enjoy it and learn a lot.
And I drug Grady out a few times with me to do some filming. He's a really good filmer, except for the fact, okay, my mom, she watched the class. She goes, I was asking her about something if she thought it was funny. And she said, the funniest thing is Grady's hairy leg and so much of the footage. Your leg made a lot of appearance. He's going to work on that in the future. But anyways, okay, but let me just tell them because I think
Are we shaving my leg?
No. Well, you just need to keep your legs out.
Oh, I see.
Out of the...
Oh.
Maybe you can talk to
That'd be
Justin.
weird.
We've got a friend from church. He's a videographer. Can I get some of that of your eyeball? Sorry, you like a chalk. He's a videographer. We should ask him, how do you keep your legs out of the shot? Okay, anyways, this day, so I'm filming, right? I'm in the artistic
You're in
mode.
the zone,
I'm
that's
in
for
it.
sure.
And Grady's in the kitchen, literally like a 7-year-old boy, doing like a burpee, like to see how many burps you can get out.
I can't make
I was
myself
sitting
up.
there painting and like, you couldn't see my face because it's an overhead, and I'm sitting there going, and finally, that's when I was like, could you pipe down the bourbon? One day, and maybe if all these classes do well enough, I'm going to have a studio with a door on it.
Nah.
So there's no dogs coming in, making noises, no
wouldn't be the
husband
same.
burping.
It wouldn't be the same. You'd lose followers.
I'd be able to get a lot more done.
Nah.
Anyways, I still got my Christmas mug out. Okay. I feel like we've got Cooper under the table moaning, and he was
That's normal.
burping too, so
Yeah.
basically the whole family's almost here. Okay, anything else to say? Should we just like go by the class?
No, I really think you guys are going to enjoy it. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to get better. Sandy's going to get more fine-tuned, and so future courses won't be 8 hours. Sorry.
They may be. Let's not. We don't know.
Maybe not.
We don't know. But it was kind of like, wow,
It's a
there's a
lot of
lot of
work.
footage. There was
Yeah.
a lot of footage, and I just thought, you know what? Instead of splitting it into 2 classes, I'm going to just put it all here. I don't know if I'll be able to do that in the future.
I think that people are really going to enjoy the course. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. I think they're going to be asking what's next and when.
Yeah, we kind of already have an idea of that. We're not going to let that out yet. There was one more thing, though, I was going to mention.
Thank you. Mention thanks.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
We're very thankful. We are. I just always feel blown away with the support from you guys, and that y'all even want classes. So, yeah, we do feel really blessed and feel very loved by you guys and very supported. Very supported.
I know you're going to enjoy landscapes more. Her mom has already talked about seeing trees differently.
My mom is not an artist either, and she's like, oh, that section where you were teaching about trees, she said, I started looking out my window, and she said, and I saw it, I can see that.
And she didn't have to do all of the things.
No. But you're going to see the tree reenacting. I do reenact a lot. I like reenacting, and I like making up my own words. Oh, there was something important I was going to say, though, about the class, but no, I can't remember.
Well, you have to edit it. Since
I
that's
don't
what
want to
you
have
do.
to edit anymore. I'm kind of tired of editing.
Yeah. Happy New Year's, guys. Thanks for your support.
Yeah, oh, I keep knocking the camera. Oh, there was really something, though. Let me just have a moment to think. Why are you looking at me like that?
Just waiting for it to come out.
Okay, yay! It's out! It's out! It's live! We did it! We birthed the landscape baby.
I didn't do anything.
Yes, you did. You helped a lot. Man alive. You know, anytime I'm like, hey, we need to go film, or I don't know, this man just supports me like nobody's business. Never says anything about all the art supplies that I purchase or the books that I purchase. Nothing. I mean, in fact, he encourages me.
Okay.
Thanks, babe.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Love you.
Love you.
Okay. Double. Oh, that's going to be really loud on the camera. Okay, guys.
She doesn't know how to wrap it up. Go in peace.
Go in peace. That sounds very serious. We just say bye around here. We say see ya.
See ya.
Oh, it won't be 2. I'll see you. This is just like a little extra video. So I'll see you
soon.
next week. See you soon. Okay.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. All right. Bye.